If your tire pressure monitoring system warning light is staying on or flashing, this video will show you the most common causes and how to fix and reset it. First, let's understand what the TPMS light means. A solid TPMS light usually means one or more tires are low on air. A flashing TPMS light usually means the system itself has a problem, like a weak sensor battery or a sensor malfunction. Start by checking all 4 tires, and the spare tire if your car has one. Use a tire pressure gauge, and compare the readings with the recommended pressure on the sticker inside the driver's door. If any tire is low, inflate it to the correct pressure. After driving for a few minutes, the TPMS light should turn off on its own. If the tire pressures are correct, but the light is still on, reset the TPMS system. Some cars have a TPMS reset button inside the glove box, under the steering wheel, or on the dashboard. Hold the button until the light blinks, then drive for a few minutes to complete the reset. If your vehicle doesn't have a reset button, the system usually resets automatically after all tires are properly inflated and you drive for several minutes at highway speed. If the TPMS light is flashing, not solid, that usually means a sensor issue. Each tire has a small sensor inside the wheel that measures pressure. These sensors have batteries that normally last around 5 to 10 years. When the battery gets weak, the light may flash for a few seconds and then stay solid. In this case, the sensor needs to be replaced. Flashing can also happen if a sensor is damaged during a tire change, if the car has mismatched wheels without TPMS sensors, or if there is interference from aftermarket electronics. If you recently installed new tires or wheels, ask the tire shop to reprogram or relearn the sensors. Many cars require the sensors to be re-registered before the light will go off. Finally, if everything looks correct, but the TPMS light still won't reset, the best step is to scan the system. If you don't have a scanner yet, I've tagged the ones I personally recommend below the video in the product section. They're reliable and work for most cars. Keeping your tires at the right pressure not only turns off the warning light, it also improves safety, fuel economy, and tire life. Tire pressure monitoring system light stays on. Drop your car's make and model below. I'll help you fix and reset it step by step. I reply to every single comment.